Extra Lesson 2, the Vietnam Buddhist Research Institute, VBR. The Vietnam Buddhist Research Institute was founded in 1989 in Ho Chi Minh City. It undertakes the task of elucidating the Buddhist teachings, emphasizing creativity in the Dhamma propagation, following the social and scientific progress of our time. Moreover, it works to expand global Buddhist activities and facilitate cultural exchange among Buddhist communities worldwide. The VBR leadership consists of the Most Venerable Dr. Thic Minh Chau is the rector. The Most Venerable Thic Thien Siu is the vice-rector in charge of the Department of Vietnamese Buddhism. The Most Venerable Dr. Thic Thien Chau at Chúc, Luôn Buddhist Institute in Paris, France, is the vice-rector in charge of world Buddhism. The Venerable Dr. Thic Chun Tien is the vice-rector in charge of the Department of Translating and Publishing the Tipitaka, the Buddhist Triple Canon or the Three Baskets of Buddhist Holy Scriptures. The Venerable Dr. Thic Tri Siu is the vice-rector in charge of the Department of Research and Translation. Mr. Vo Din Kung as vice-rector in charge of the press. The Department of Vietnamese Buddhism takes charge of the history of Vietnamese Buddhism, Vietnamese Buddhist literature, culture, architecture, and archaeology. The Department of World Buddhism is responsible for Buddhism in the Himalayan region, Southeast Asian region, East Asian region, European region, and American region. There are many other departments such as the Department of Buddhist Specialities dealing with Buddhist meditation, mental development, bhavana, psychology, logic, linguistics, and native medicine. The Department of Monastic Education, which takes charge of the training of monks and nuns at basic Buddhist schools and institutes of advanced Buddhist studies. And especially the Department of Translating and Publishing the Tipitaka, the Buddhist Triple Canon or the Three Baskets of Buddhist Holy Scriptures into Vietnamese. The great task of translating the Tipitaka from Pali, English, and Chinese into Vietnamese and compiling and publishing the Vietnamese Tipitaka has been underway since 1991. It will take about 2 decades to carry out the duty. During the last 10 years, many collections of the Pali Triple Canon such as Digha Nikaya, the collection of the long dialogues, 2 volumes, Majjhima Nikaya, the collection of the middle-length sayings, 3 volumes, Samyutta Nikaya, the collection of the kinder sayings, 5 volumes, Anguttara Nikaya, the collection of the gradual sayings, 5 volumes, Khuddaka Nikaya, the collection of the minor discourses, 15 volumes. These works was translated from the original Pali Canon to Vietnamese by the Most Venerable Dr. Thic Minh Chau, have been published side by side with many collections translated from the Chinese versions of the Agamas in Sanskrit, such as Digha Agama, the Madhyama Gama, the Samyutta Gama, the Ekottara Gama, etc., by the Most Venerable Thic Teng Tu and the Most Venerable Thic Thien Siu. In short, the printing and publishing of the Vietnamese Triple Canon marks an important event in the history of Vietnamese Buddhism and the cultural life of our nation as well. Despite all difficulties in the present situation, both the Vietnam Buddhist Academy and the Vietnam Buddhist Research Institute make every effort to fulfill the assignment given by the Vietnam Buddhist Sangha. Therefore, they welcome all material and spiritual support from any individual or organization, Buddhist and non-Buddhist, at home and abroad.
Vocabulary. Buddhist Research Institute. Elucidating. Buddha's teachings. Dhamma propagation. Social and scientific progress. Global Buddhist activities. Cultural exchange. Buddhist communities. Most Venerable. Rector. Vice-Rector. Department of Vietnamese Buddhism. Department of World Buddhism. Tipitaka. Buddhist Triple Canon. Archaeology. Himalayan region. Southeast Asian region. East Asian region. European region. American region. Buddhist specialities. Buddhist meditation. Mental development. Bhavana. Psychology. Logic. linguistics, native medicine, monastic education.
Cảm ơn các bạn đã theo dõi kênh của mình. Đừng quên ấn nút đăng ký, thích, bình luận và chia sẻ video với mọi người nhé.